who would be dumb enough to buy a BMW M5 with a V10 and a rod knock? That would be me and my brother-in-law. Those are the kind of smart decisions we make on this channel. You guys, this really was not a fun thing to experience, to buy a car with one of the most expensive engines that BMW manufactures and one of the most expensive transmissions, and gamble that it's gonna work, and to have it fail the day after you buy it is horrible. I mean, man, you just hope that will never happen, and to us it did. So we bought the car, it got a rod knock, we of course turned it off, didn't drive it, didn't start it. Took it down to BMW. They said, sorry about your luck, you need a new engine, there's too much metal in the pan. I had them send me pictures, I looked at them, I think it's just rod bearing material. Hopefully the crankshaft and the rods aren't spun. So we had it towed up to my dad, which he was a Porsche Audi mechanic for 40 plus years. That is where we are going to fix the problem that BMW said we could not fix. We're going to make more videos about that, so hopefully you tune in for those. But this video is just kind of, I wouldn't say a teaser, but it's kind of where we're at up until this point. You know, buying the car, finding the rod knot, taking it to Salt Lake. I'm going to show you guys pictures of the oil, or the metal in the oil pan, the filter, what it looks like, and what you guys can do to not make this same dumb decision that we did. You know, this was totally a fluke. It didn't have a rod knock when we bought it. I don't think he could have done anything to mask that aside from putting 90 weight in it, but that wouldn't even have done a good job. And I saw the oil they drained and it was not 90 weight. This was just purely horrible luck. I think maybe it had been going on, of course, before we bought it, but it didn't get bad enough and have the sloppy tolerances that it did after we drove it to make it knock. But anyways, guys, like, subscribe, watch this video, and the ones to come of us actually making the repairs. It really is an awesome car. I'm an Audi guy. Here's my RS6. But, you know, you got to respect all cars. And the M5 is one of the cool ones. V10. God, it's like driving a Formula 1 car. It's awesome. Anyways, like, subscribe, and let's have fun, guys.